fireworks stash 2013. And we'll start off with the small stuff. I got these power pops, the firecrackers that you put on the ground. They're really loud. And then some jumping jacks I got for free. And some crackly balls, just one packet. And then I think this might be like a half brick or something of 50 pieces of 50 strip. And they're all Red Devil. There's like 20 in there. And then 3 packs of small bees, 12 pieces. And 3 boxes of little dynamite, 100 firecrackers. And then mighty crackers. They're pretty much those, but different. 4 boxes of those. And then I got a whole brick of smoke balls. It's like a destroyed box. It's 12 packs of 6. Yeah, and then I got some bottle rockets. Not too much, but yeah, it's good. And then my rockets, world-class rockets. They're 6 ounce body. And then some gay little flying color butterfly rockets. There's like 6 in here. Then I'll go to that later. I got the Excalibur. These are displays and stuff. Back. Comes with 4 tubes, 24 canister shells. And these, Super Magnum, 12 assorted shells. There we are. And 2 boxes of these Derringers. Yeah. There are many shells, black cap. And then here are the cakes. They're not too big, but the Hard Claw by Winda. I think it's 16 shot. And the Crazy Exciting by World Class. It's I don't know how many shots. But yeah, Crazy Exciting. And the What's Up by TNT. I think it's 12 shots. And just some Saturn missiles. I think I got them for free. And a whole bunch of these little like cakes, mini cakes. Pretty good, I guess. Here's one more. Green Heaven. And I got this. I got this last year. It was really good, so I got it again. Pyro King Cosmic Raider. It has a finale inside. It's 8 shots. And this Biohazard cake. It's I think it might be 8 shots because it's the same size as that. But yeah. And that's my friend's stash. Pretty good. And then I'll show you this pack. Well, first of all, I got 3 2-hour punks. It's crazy. I got them for free. And then some other punks. I don't know how long they last. Okay. So in this pack, it comes with ground balloons pack and some crackling balls, colored crackling balls, and some Georgia peach fountain. It's pretty gay. Then a cone fountain. Yeah. And 2 friendship box fountains. What, move it like straight. And a bumper harvest medium, stupid little fountain, and some sparklers. There's some more punks in here. Some more punks. Good feelings. Then some 2, I think 50 shots Saturn missiles, 2 of those. And then a Garden and Springs, which is a aerial / fountain. And 2 of these cheetah dancing fountains, I think. Yeah. Yeah, 1 Saturn missile crackling. This little cake is Dragonfire, a Shogun, 9 shots. That seems alright. And then Happy Fireworks, 6 shots. It's pretty gay. And 2 more ground balloons came in there. And then this like weird single whammy type of thing. I don't know what it does. Yeah, it's like a shotgun strap. And Twitter glitter, it's the same as Garden and Spring, but just a smaller version. And Star Ball contribution thing. It's this. I think it spins or something. Because of that. Yeah, a golden flower fountain. And yeah, that's it. Just record all that. Alright, stop it.